back to another installment of Rose and Gold. I'm your host, Black King Sebastian, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Hello everyone, and today we are just in our limo right now heading to our manager. Let's get straight into this She's Hot winner because it's Friday.
That's right, Dr. Ross. Sponsored by Playboy International.
Exactly.
Our winner is none other than Miss Amanda
Lacrosse. Congratulations, Amanda. Queen Booty Apparel, Booty Queen Apparel. We saw you on the Shark Tank and you were a force to be reckoned with. Coming out fierce with your husband, the pro bodybuilder.
All women are queens. If she breathes, she's a god!
And girl, we saw you blinging it out. You had big diamond rings, so that looked like you had enough cha-ching to make your own business, which you've already done, and support yourself. But we just want to say that you a bitch, and not in a disrespectful way or a bad way like other girls, but you are a bitch in a way that you take what's yours and you go get it and you go and you're hungry. So let's get straight into these hot topics.
That's right, Dr. Ross.
On to our first hot topic. We have Kim Kardashian officially goes out and tells Kanye that their marriage is over.
Kim reportedly told Kanye their marriage is over and I can't handle my emotion.
There's no more marriage. What are your thoughts about this, Black King Sebastian?
Most likely, Dr. Ross, either one, they're going to get back together, or Kim is going to go to the clubs and try to find someone else, as we've already seen her do before. That's why, now think about it, that's probably why someone threw a drink at her at the bar when Scott Disick went crazy.
My nigga, did I just catch you simping? Oh!
But Kim, do you? Black King is still here. Playboy International. That's for you. Let's get into our next hot topic.
The only thing I wanted to say about, before we go to our next hot topic, the only thing I wanted to say about the Kim and Kanye thing is, it's similar to like Beyonce and Jay-Z and Will Smith and Jada. They get more money together as a couple. When they split up, it won't be enough money or as much money as they are together. But you know, Kim makes her own money. Kim's doing everything. So let's go into our next hot topic. Amber Rose wears track pants and a mask with her lunch and with her boyfriend in Bel Air. What are your thoughts about this, Black King Sebastian?
You know the rules, and so do I. Say goodbye.
Obviously, Dr. Ross, she's trying to go out there and be like the booty work with the tights on.
Exactly.
She's trying to go out there and show what she can do. But Miss Amber Rose, you would look so much better if you didn't have the tattoo on.
Still has the tattoo on top of her forehead.
That's my advice to you. Put some skin coloring right there. Let's move on to our next hot topic.
So for the Real Housewives of New Jersey, Teresa Giudice, 48, recently just posted a picture with her 4 daughters as they all pose, all scandalous together in a picture. What are your thoughts about this, Black King Sebastian?
Obviously, Dr. Ross, that is the scandalous household. All of them are scandalous. And you know they're all out there looking for some cashola, and they're always looking for another figure.
You're with him! You brought him here to kill me!
No!
That's for you. Let's move on to our next hot topic for today.
So everyone is still hating on Drea Michelle for her, her jokes about her the shooting. But anyways, Drea Michelle explores being slim thick while half of social media is still criticizing her about the shooting scandal. What are your thoughts about this, Black King Sebastian?
Obviously, Dr. Ross, with her doing this, most likely she's saying in the background, all of these haters, all they're doing is helping me because they're bringing more popularity to her name. Because Dr. Ross and I, we've known about Drea Michelle for a long time, but now more people are knowing who she is.
Exactly.
In a bad way and in a good way at the same time.
Someone order a big sausage pizza?
I did, but I don't have any money.
Why the fuck did you order?
So Drea, keep doing you and keep doing those modeling photo shoots with the Ducati motorcycles and the Mercedes Benz. That's for you. We're still looking for the Playboy International. You might be the next winner if you keep your long hair so you can cover up the neck. Let's move on to our next hot topic.
So Snoop Dogg has been out a lot recently, saying more things on social media, but Snoop Dogg went out to confirm that Jay-Z wrote Dr. Dre's Still Dre in a full 30-minute session quickly. What are your thoughts about this, Black King Sebastian?
Our podcast talking about how Jay-Z ghost wrote Still Dre. We always thought he wrote just one part of this. Turns out he did more. Let's take a look.
Dr. Ross, first of all, Jay-Z, he knows what to do for the music, as well as Dr. Dre and Snoop Dogg. Most likely, Snoop and Jay-Z had worked on the vocals, while Dr. Dre had worked on the track or the actual music going behind it.
Because that's Dr. Dre's...
Did you put your name into the goblet of fire, Harry? Dumbledore asked calmly.
Harry! I protest! Harry, did you put your name in the goblet of fire?
That's Dr. Dre's strong point. His beats, that's where he gets his popularity. That's what he's good at. And that's what he's going to keep doing. But Charlize Theron says that she's going to be dating herself from now on. And her daughter went out saying she needs a boyfriend.
Each other, we just have very different views of the world. And he's more cynical and I've kind of compromised. And it's kind of nice. I think all relationships have an element of that where, you know, the other person makes you aware of something else.
I hear you. I get that.
Yeah.
You're Charlize. Let's just, so, you know. Getting here is not good. Good job. No. No, and I'm saying, for the average guy, it's a long shot.
It really isn't. I've been single for 10 years. It's not a long shot. Somebody just needs to grow a pair and step up.
And apparently, she has been single for quite some time.
I've never wanted to get married. That's never been something that's important to me.
But you want a great love of your life.
I have two amazing little great loves of my life right now. My life is filled with love.
Charlize,
no part of my
I'm not talking about the kids.
Feel lonely or missing out or I got
Charlize, look at me.
Yes.
We're talking about romance. This is a big thing. Yes, the love of your children is great. I just had a great Father's Day with my girls. It was fantastic. Don't get me wrong.
Yeah.
But you get lonely. I mean,
I don't. Sure. I have never been lonely.
Wow.
I've never felt alone.
Are you scared of romantic love in a sense?
No, not at all. My life right now just doesn't allow for a lot of room for something like that to happen. Something that's already incredibly difficult to achieve when you're not a single mom with a career.
Miss Theron, first of all, stop it. If you come to the Black King, we can meet in Beverly Hills, Los Angeles. I'll take out the black book and I'll show you someone who's ready for you. Most likely, all of the people, the reason why you're saying you want to date yourself is because you've probably tried to date other guys and you've done something crazy that makes them want to run away.
Exactly. Charlize Theron, the point here is stop it. Stop trying to say that you're going to date yourself just because nobody else is trying to date you. You gotta find a guy that wants your type of woman, a type of girl just like you, Charlize Theron. Don't go moping around saying that you're gonna start dating yourself.
That's right, Dr. Ross.
Bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna.
You see me when I face my God, I don't play.
These were all of our hot topics for today, but we'll catch you guys on the next installment. Stay tuned for the Jamaican hair gel and clothing line.
And as always, we just want to say congratulations to Amanda Lacrosse and Bootylicious.
That's right, Dr. Ross. Congratulations on your win for the She's Hot contest. We will be contacting you and sending this trophy to you. That's for you. This trophy perfectly fits you. These were all of our hot topics, but we'll catch you guys on the next installment. We out.